Hello friends, so today we are going to learn how to draw a beautiful landscape in a very easy way.
And I will mainly focus on the clouds and the grass area. So first, create a workspace of 1920 and 1080 pixel.
Now start with the sky area. For that, you have to select inking pen and blue color. After that, select a bigger brush size and start coloring from the top. Now again open the color panel and move this point in the color wheel for changing the color. And we will continue the same procedure till we get the lightest shade of blue.
Now repeat the same procedure.
Now blend it with blending brush. Your sky is almost ready. Now come to the clouds. For that, select salty watercolor brush, create a new layer and start coloring like this way. Now blending the clouds with blending brush, but don't overdo it. Now the sky area is complete. Now go to the grass area. For that, go to the texture brush and select camo brush. Select dark green color and start creating the grass area by tapping the brush. But first, create a new layer. Now use a lighter shade of green for the better effects. Now for the flower, select pink or red color and draw some flowers randomly by tapping the brush. Your landscape is almost done. But if you want, you can add some more details like birds, wires, etc. For that, select the ballpoint pen and predictive stroke tool from the tool panel and draw two wires as I do. Now for the birds, select inking pen and black color and start drawing the birds. And you don't need to draw more birds, just duplicate it and paste it on some different positions with transform tool like I do.
Now repeat the same procedure.
Okay, it looks great.
So follow the steps and make your awesome landscape. Thank you.